Hello there, I'm Evelyn. In this video, I will share on what I've learned about Toyota production system, the fundamental of lean management through a Toyota factory plant tour in Japan. Hi everyone. Today, instead of our usual lesson, I'm going to bring you to Japan to visit the world famous Toyota automobile factory in Nagoya, Japan, and share my learning on Toyota production system, which is the basis of lean. Family holiday in Japan. I have made an arrangement to go to a Toyota plant tour, which is named by CNN as the world coolest factory tour. I set out early in the morning to catch the first train from Nagoya with multiple transits of passing through the beautiful countrysides of Aichi Prefecture to the Toyota Shi, which is the campus where the headquarters of Toyota is located. I have included the link on how to get there, which is actually a Toyota KeiKan museum, or a KeiKan means factory, and I would strongly recommend all who are lean practitioners to experience the Toyota factory. This is the KeiKan Museum showroom where they have models of Lexus and Toyota's cars on display, and also some of the chassis, the engines as well. And it is also a waiting place for the tour to begin, where we are supposed to take a bus to a selected Toyota factory around the campus. This is a selfie of myself going to the Toyota plant tour. I'm not very good at taking selfie, right? I should learn more. The plant tour was very well organized, available in both English and Japanese language, showcasing on how Toyota adopt the management philosophy known as Toyota production system to assemble cars. There are two pillars of Toyota production system, which is just in time and Jidoka, and automation with human touch to deliver good products to customers, and that is made smoothly in the operating line with minimal waste. This means that the whole production value stream is lean with very minimal waste of making what is needed, the amount, no inventory waste, and do not create waste and reduce the product delivery time to the customers. And also, since there are automation, it should be with human touch where the machine can automatically stop and people sustain their work process to help prevent troubleshoot the defects so that the machine does not continue to manufacture defects, which is also a waste. You can refer to my another video on Embrace link, which I have already included in the below link about the 7 ways. The plant which I visited was Matomachi plant, which assemble Toyota Crown and some Lexus model. We are actually not allowed to take any photo, and they will keep your camera at the KeiKan showroom. This is the photo I get from the archive to share with you how the plant looks like. My first impression of the plant was very well organized, 5S in the workplace, where the automobile parts of different size are placed in 5 different tote bins according to the size category. Each tote has one color and all parts are well arranged in the production floor. The production floor is clean until it shines. The 5S, the third S, which is Sari, our tour guide has explained on how Kanban system is used to schedule production to ensure JIT, one of the Toyota production system which I gone through with you just now, in simple color cards to communicate and make what is needed, the quantity that is needed. Another highlight of TPS is Jidoka, where the system is built to stop machine when there is abnormality and the problem is displayed on the board, which is visual management, to communicate the status of the production and inclusive of the problem happen in which area. Toyota is really a very lean company. You can see that he has also changed the name of Toyota. The former name for Toyota starts with a D here, and it's been changed to Toyota ever since the company adopts the Toyota production system by one of the founders. So these two words, can you spot the waste reduction here? For those who are interested to join the Toyota KeiKan Museum plant tour to experience or to see for yourself how does the Toyota production system work in the real factory, I have included the tips to join the tour. So you will need to pre-book the tour at this website here. I didn't know about this website until after the tour. I walked in that day without any booking and was very fortunate that there was a last-minute cancellation from someone and the tour leader allowed me to join the tour. You need to start your journey as early as possible if you're staying in Nagoya, as the tour starts at 11 a.m. and only once per day. Information on how to travel to Toyota Kaikan is actually also available at Nagoya's Tourist Information Center, located at the train station. They will give you a very precise printed paper instruction. And lastly, very important, there are strictly no photo, no video are allowed during the tour. You can get a lot of information at the Toyota Kaikan Exhibition Hall. Those photos that I talk about in the previous slides on Toyota's factories are actually taken from the website as well. Lastly, if you want the answer on why Toyota was changed to Toyota name, do leave me a comment below and I shall give you the answer. So, thanks for watching this video and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Do give me a thumbs up if you like and have benefited from today's video, which is especially prepared for you to hack into the key areas to achieve good results. Please do subscribe subscribe to this channel to get notified on the future video, and appreciate if you can leave a comment on what you would like to learn. I would also appreciate if you can share this channel with all your friends. Thank you, and see you in my next lesson. Bye!